Grenade!
Move.
Yes. Clear, Dan?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Take it back, don't let him take it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go for it.
What you got, high or low?
I've got eye.
Just watch out for one. Don't everyone go off at once. I'll stay back here and cover the top.
Orange colour!
Okay.
Orange. Wait. Orange colour!
Oh, what's stuff, Dan? What's stuff?
You look straight ahead, yeah?
Okay,
Orange colour!
don't stand up.
That's green colour.
Right, I'm going to the left, alright? Yeah, I'm
Yep.
following.
Okay.
Are you stacking up?
Yep. Oh, fuck. I did not know there was a door there.
You turn your light off, buddy!
You've got contact at the end.
Oh,
Next! Who is green?
orange colour.
Orange colour.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't they just say orange colour? Whoa. Orange colour!
Green colour.
Oh,
In. Is that moving?
that was a ricochet. Go for it, Tom.
What's the distance there at? I don't know. Can you shine it?
Like 5 metres, not far.
Whoa! 5 metres, that's 15 feet, isn't it? Yes, that was beautiful. Ready?
Yep.
Dead man!
Oh, ricochets.
Where are you talking, Chris?
I'm going to have to jump across. So, directly
Well,
left of this pillar.
Going straight.
There's something. Watch out.
Oh, I could do with a grenade rolled down there actually.
Two of them
Is
peeking that corner.
There,
There is,
wall
yeah,
coming up,
but
so
you have to dive
Is there
down
anything
there.
on the left?
Yeah, there's a doorway with them in.
Shine it a sec. I think we can get through here.
Yeah.
There's another.
Grenade! Grenade! Ooh! Whoa! Hit!
Where you just said orange.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Behind that pillar.
Yeah. Oh, what did that hit?
Down my face to your left.
Oh! Damn, what's the left side of that pillar?
He's still there.
Yeah, he's still there.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't shoot.
Grenade.
Maybe.
Strike to ends together, mate.
Got a grenade?
Yeah, no, I know. It's just one of the ends are missing.
Balls.
4 metres away.
Right, are they still behind that pillar, Dan?
Yeah, there's still one behind this pillar.
Hold on, let me see it.
Yeah. You get one over that railing.
Can't see it.
Yeah.
Might be worth a grenade. Just square it directly down here.
Grenade! There you go.
Straight ahead. There's a guy between the two pillars.
What's this pillar? What's the other side? Far side, far side!
Far side. Far side. Far side.
Yeah, okay. Most of them are dead.
Far end.
They're banned.
Got him. There was loads at the far end. Just cleared out loads of them.
Okay, go.
Go.
Guys, check left as well. Keep left.
that end pillar. What about this room?
Oh, there's another one down there, on the right.
Orange colour, James. Orange? No, this room's clear, this room, it's orange, it's orange.
You can see through.
Where are they shooting at us? Yeah, okay. Hit! Good shot! Dead man! Dead man! What have we got in here? We've got some greens in here.
Let's go.
Oh, nice man. Hit. Yeah, I got him back then. Cover that door. Sorry, just trying to find the end. Well, it's still in there.
He's hit. Alright, great. He's hit. Come on.
Grenade. Oh, it's okay, miss.
No kill! Oh shit.
Oh, they're in the doorway. What? Behind you?
Oh! Woo, that was good value for money.
Wow. Well played, whoever that was in the corner.
Okay, I got the left covered.
Oh, nice.
Present.
I'm going to light up that corner.
We got that. Hit. Is that second doorway gone?
No, it's still there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wing it. So, it's just. Can you do it? Oh!
Oh!
Is that doorway clear there?
You see this one on the left?
That's where I got
The
shot
next
from.
one on the left is still not clear.
Great. What, this little one here?
Yeah, that one there.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
where I
clear.
got shot from. It's a really... you need a grenade in there, to be honest.
It's a nasty angle.
Anyone got a grenade?
What's the right?
I could probably get past it from there.
Yeah, but then you've got to watch the right as well. Fucking hell. Come on, Smith.
Just drop a grenade in there, to be fair. I don't have any more left.
Anyone got a grenade?
Orange.
Orange colour! Orange! But guys in that room, you can...
Hit, good shot.
Well played. Well played.
Bravery. Somebody at the back of that room. Okay, one hit at the back of that room. Loading.
Loading.
Great. Nice. Yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. Go across.
Yeah. I'll take left. Is there anyone in there?
Who's that over there?
That was 0 dark.
Is that orange?
Tell me that didn't hit you.
Sorry.
Orange got the room! Orange!
Oh, fuck. Fuck that! Sorry. Oh. I'm gonna call myself dead just for a heart attack. Oh, what's your hand? Cheers, man. Dead man. Oh, cheers. Dead man coming through. Oh. James?
Ready?
Oh, nice.
Right, move forward.
Watch out.
You have it.
Yeah. Orange colour? No. Oh wait, that's Wingate. Wingate, you have to say so. I was going to shoot you, sorry.
Wingate.
I'm the same room as you.
That doesn't... Well, technically.
You know what the black Wingate looks like.
I do. I say, that looks like Wingate's face.